All right, so let's take a look at some of this math and application. So you guys are going to flip to page 17 for your homework, okay? So let's take a look at this. In diagram below, B is the midpoint of AC. Find the value of X and the length of BC. Well, in this case right here, because this is the midpoint and it's, it's the midpoint, this tells me that AB is congruent to BC. So the way that I would solve this is just simply set up AB equal to BC, right? And this is the first principle. So 2x minus 8 is equal to x plus 17. Very much like that, and then you solve for the equation like normal. Minus x, x minus 8 is equal to 17. Add 8 on both sides, x is equal to 25. Okay, but wait, that we have to solve for BC, and BC is right here. So BC is equal to 25 plus 17. Finally, BC is equal to 242. Okay, and that's the answer that you're putting in your homework. All right, so far so good. It's very straightforward in applying this principle. Next piece right here. K is the midpoint of JL. If JK is 3x squared minus 60, and KL is 24x. Find the value of x and the length for KL. Okay, so far, it's pretty straightforward. We know that this is the midpoint, therefore JK is equal to KL. So I just set it up like that. 3x squared minus 60 is equal to 24x. This is going to be a quadratic, so I know I have to set things equal to 0. Minus 24x, like this. 3x squared minus 24x minus 60 is equal to 0. Okay, before I even do the AC method, I see what they have in common, and it seems like they have a 3 in common, so I'm going to divide both sides by 3. That leaves me with x squared minus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, once I am there, I'm going to obviously do the SP method, sum product, which two numbers give me 20, but add up to negative 8, it's going to be 10 and 2. And in this case, it's got to be negative 10, positive 2. Set both of them equal to 0. X is equal to 10. X is equal to negative 2. In this case, I'm going to reject the negative. X is equal to 10. So that's the first piece, finding the value of x. Finding the value of KL. KL is 24x. So KL equals 24 times 10. And finally, KL is equal to 240. And that's the answer you also want to put. Okay, very straightforward.